Hi guys, ayan, pupunta na kami sa school guys dahil ngayon ang parid ng aking anak guys sa nutrition month. Ayan. Nutrition month nila ngayon guys. Ayan, nutrition month na ng aking anak.
This year's celebration reminds us all of the importance of healthy eating, active living, and taking care of our bodies. And what better way to start this special day than
your students throughout the parade road and everyone, please wear your brightest smiles. Okay, are you ready? So, ang first, mao ang atong drum and bugle, followed by the ukulele cymbals, and followed by the tenor. Agina in town. Sumpay na lang, ito lang sa Ipulanis. Okay, now let's have the kindergarten. Reminded nga dili ta magtinukluray ha.
Ito na si Rio! Uy, ito na Rio!
Asa daw ta padung ani? Balik yan to sa kuan sa lugar nagikuan na ganiya.
The mighty grade 3 pupils, where are you? To join our Zumba session.
Wala manayo sila.
To stay active and lead. Leading us this morning are our energetic and talented grade 6 teachers, along with our amazing select